Hi everyone, my name is Lohe, and in this session I'm going to walk you through our new ANR experience. We have worked very hard to release this new version of the ANR tab, and we really hope that the new features help you troubleshoot your ANR problems in a more efficient way. The top 3 highlights of this release are: we have released an improved prioritized issue list on the summary screen. We have also released a new improved version of the flame graph to analyze tag trace samples with filters and more interactive functionalities. And third, we have released a new visualization graph that allows users to examine methods in more detail. I'll walk you through our new features and how you can use them for troubleshooting your ANR problems in a bit. Now let's get into the demo. I'll walk you through our new features and how you can best use them for your troubleshooting needs. Here's our summary screen for ANRs. This is where you will get as soon as you click on the ANRs button over here. In this screen, you will see an overview of your app performance in terms of ANRs. Here you have overall metrics on your ANR-free sessions and ANR-free users, and then here you will see some statistics on your daily ANR rate. Let's say, and let's assume a hypothetical scenario, you come here and then you see that your ANR-free sessions percentage is below the threshold that you had in mind, meaning that ANR occurrences are increasing in your app. You may be wondering, what's the best way we can address this? The best way to address this problem is to look at our new ANR issue list. This list is a prioritized list of problematic methods that we have encountered in the samples that we have collected of ANR occurrences. So we have ranked these methods in terms of number of occurrences and the percentage of affected sessions and affected users that these methods have impact on. So in this case, you can see that each of these methods are also categorized by different tags. In this case, you can see Ad SDKs or concurrency, and another concurrency tag or IO. We've been doing this so you as a user can focus on what you care the most, on what matters the most to you in terms of debugging and troubleshooting. Here on the Insights panel that you see on the right, you can see that for each method that you have selected, you can see 2 things. One thing is the notable frames. So as you know, this method belongs to a stack trace, and notable frames are methods in that stack trace that we consider are important or relevant to your troubleshooting process. And then you can see also common issues under this method. So then again, this method belongs to a stack trace, and for this reason, we are able to identify common issues that are present on that stack trace. We have collected a list of common issues, and once we see it on your stack trace, we have identified here, so you can see the percentage contribution of those issues and how often it appears on your stack trace. You could use this sample filtering to be able to see a more focused or more relevant issue list underneath here. So let's go back to our use case. We were saying that we were a gaming company and we were focusing our investigation on Ad SDK. So in this case, we can filter our sample data by only choosing Ad Focus Sample. This will change the issue list below to show mostly ad-related methods. In this case, you can see that many other categories disappear, and now you have mostly Ad SDK problematic methods. Now that we have examined the issue list and the Insights pane, you may be wondering, well, what else can I do with these new features? Our debugging process is not going to stop there. So if you see, all of these things are clickable, and it will take you to another page with a graph to examine these methods even further. So let's say we want to go back to like the Google one, and we want to examine any of the frames under these methods one step further. So let's say we click on the first one, which is like another Google method, and we have arrived to our new ANR troubleshooting page.